Hello everyone. Today we are going to work on graphing equations using table of values. So let's start. So what we are going to do today is how to represent a function by writing an equation, completing a table, or graphing the function on the coordinate plane. Okay? So let's check our first example. Okay, so the school store sells book covers for $2 each and notebooks for $1. Tony has $5 to spend. So we have the function y equals 5 minus 2x represents the number of book covers x and notebooks y she can buy. Graph the function and interpret the points graphed. So first of all, we're going to choose values for x and substitute them in the function to find the value of y. First of all, we're going to create our table of values. It's going to be x, and here we're going to write the function 5 minus 2x, and here this is going to be the value of y. Okay, so now I'm going to assume some values for x. I have 0, 1, 2, and 3. And here in this column, we're going to remove any x and replace it by the value that we wrote. So here, when x equals 0, my function will be 5 minus 2 times 0. Okay, 2 times 0 equals 0. So 5 minus 0, it's 5. So the value of y equals 5. In the second one, I have x equals 1. So 5 minus 2 multiplied by 1. 2 times 1, it's 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So my second ordered pair is going to be 1 and 3. Third one, we're going to pick the 2. 5 minus 2 multiplied by 2, which is 5 minus 4, and this gives me 1. And the last one, it's 5 minus 2 times 3, which is 6. 5 minus 6 equals negative 1. Okay? Now, let's graph the ordered pairs. I have 0 and 5, so on the x-axis, I will go to 0. And then I will go up 5 on the y-axis until I reach the point 0 and 5. Then I have 1 and 3. So from the origin, I will move 1 to the right. This is the 1 for the x. And then I will go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Here is my point, 1 and 3. Then I have 2 and 1. On the x-axis, from the origin, from the 0 point, I will go 2 to the right. And then I will go up 1. And the last one is 3 and negative 1 from the origin. Don't forget, always we are starting from the origin, from the intersection of x and y. So from the origin, I'm going to move 3 to the right and then go down 1 to the negative 1. Okay? But don't forget, we can't buy negative amounts. So she can buy 0 covers and 5 notebooks, or 1 cover and 3 notebooks, or 2 covers and 1 notebook. But for 3 and negative 1, this is a negative value that can't be happen. Okay, so here in this example, it's asking me to graph y equals x plus 2. It didn't relate it to the real life, so accordingly, it's fine if I have positive or negative values. First of all, I'm going to make the function table. How can I make the function table? As agreed, it's x and then x plus 2, which is the function, then y, and we can add the ordered pairs x and y. Okay? We're going to assume some values for x, like 0, 1, 2, and 3. When x equals 0, my function is going to be 0 plus 2, and this gives us that y equals 2. So our ordered pairs is going to be 0 and 2. And when x equals 1, I have 1 plus 2, which is 3. So my ordered pairs is 1 and 3. When x equals 2, I have 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the ordered pair is going to be 2 and 4. And then when x equals 3, I have 3 plus 2, which is 5. My ordered pair is 3 and 5. Okay, so now I'm going to plot this on the graph. First of all, I will start from the origin, from the 0. And then I will go up to, this is going to be my first point, 0 and 2. For the second point, it's 1 and 3. So from the origin, I will go to the right 1 and go up 3. For the third point, it's 2 and 4. From the origin, move 2 and go up 4. And the last point, it's 3. Again, from the origin, don't forget everything. We start from the origin. We will go 1, 2, 3 and go up 5. So I got my line, and that's it. Okay? Okay, here we go. Sometimes it's not gonna write me the equation. It's just going to write me the words or the lines or the sentence, and I'm going to understand or get the equation from it. So here it's telling me that the value of y is 1 less than the corresponding value of x. So I know that y equals 1 less than x, which is x minus 1. Okay, now I'm the one who wrote the equation. And then we will go on our way, writing the equation, writing the x, and finding the value of y, and keep going in it, okay? And that's it. So let's check an example on this. Here, it's asking you, each person that enters a store receives a coupon for $5 off his or her entire purchase. Write a function to represent the total value of the coupons given out. So now I need to write a function to represent the total value of the coupons. Okay, if I have just one person entering the store, he will get a $5 coupon. What about if I have two people entering the store? 2 people times 5, this is gonna be $10 coupon, or 2 coupons, right? If they are 3, it's $15 coupon. So I am multiplying. So then I can say that y is the total value of coupons and x the number of people. So now I can say that y equals 5x, because y equals 5 times the number of people entering the store, okay, which is x. I hope this is clear. Okay, here, should I draw a table or graph this? No, because it's just asking me to write a function to represent the total value of the coupons, and that's it. Okay, طيب, let's check the next slide. It's the same problem. Each person that enters a store receives a coupon for $5 off his or her entire purchase. Make a function table to find the total value of the coupons given out to 5, 10, 15, and 20 customers. Okay, so now it's asking me to create the table, but note that he is giving me the value of the x, the number of customers. I have 5, 10, 15, and 20 customers. So now I just can't write 0, 1, 2, 3 in the x. I'm going to use the numbers given to me, 5, 10, 15, and 20. So now I have x, 5x, y, and I'm going to substitute by x by the numbers given to me, the number of customers. So in the first one, it's 5 customers, 5 times 5, this is 25. Second one, it's 5 times 10, which is 50. Third one, it's 15 times 5, which is 75. And the last one, 20 times 5, which is 100. Should I draw a table? It didn't ask me to, so I don't have to. Okay?